Hello friends, my name is Ravi Kumar Tanaji More and today's date is 10 December 2021 and today's topic is super keyword and this keyword. So let's first super keyword. The super keyword in the super keyword in Java, a reference variable is a reference variable. It is used to call or invoke parent class object. Uses of Java super keyword. First is super can be used to call and invoke parent class instance variable, and second is super can be invoked parent class method. Third, super can be used to invoke or class parent class. uh, see this is uses one by one. First is uh, constructor. Super can be used to call or invoke parent class instance variable. Super variable name. We can use the super keyword in child class to access number such as instance variable, etc. Super can be used to invoke parent class method. The super keyword can also be used to invoke parent class method. It should be used if subclass contains the same method as parent class. In other word, it is used if method is overridden. Super can be used to invoke or call parent class constructor. The super keyword can also be used to invoke the parent class constructor by using super keyword. Uh, Next is this keyword. There can be lots of uses of Java this keyword. In Java this is a reference variable to refer the object variable. Why you are need this keyword in Java. Suppose for example, I have create one class, give one instance variable. In the class we have create one method with argument local variable as some name of instance variable, and it initialize inside method as some name. So it's refer the only instance variable. It does not refer local variable value. Then this case we can use this keyword. This is this instance variable, this dot instance variable, it to it refer instance variable, and another variable refer the local variable. So this uh, refer the current class instance. This can be used to call current class method. This can be used to current class constructor, and pass argument. This is used to pass argument in method, uh, and can be passed as argument in constructor call. This can be used return the current class instance from the method. Thank you, friends.